Honorific expression is to describe people whom the speaker, writer pays a respect, while they are the subject of the action in the statement. Thus, this represents the central concept of keigo, the most basic part to understand how keigo expression is formed and is used. First, there's a group of verbs developed specially for this purpose. Here is a short list, contains a few commonly used examples. As one can tell easily, these words describe basic human actions, and all have a parallel expressions to carry out the same concept. In another word, these words are prepared thoroughly from an honorific expression. Most of these words have their corresponding expressions in modern Japanese. Here again, one can see that the expression is changing and the language structure continues. This example is found from the very last chapter of the Tale of Heike. The action and the focus here is to ask, and in order to pay a respect to priestly sovereign, Goshirakawa Ho, the word osu was used in the place of you. Certainly, not every verb has a parallel expression. Like how it works in modern Japanese, where we have patterns such as o ni naru, reru, rareru. In classical language, helper verb ru, raru, su, sasu, and also a few verbs from the previous chart are used to work with the other verbs. Together form an honorific expression. In this example, Tamawu worked with the Genzi to respect the Buddha, which was believed to appear in front of the people. While the above structure primarily remains in modern Japanese, the following one, although rather popular in classical writing, disappeared today. That is, to double honorific expressions in order to indicate an extreme respect, particularly such an attitude towards an emperor or a royal member. In the first example, toward Emperor Gosaga, the action is described by iru su tamau, to mean to put into his mind. In the second example, osu, to say, plus ru towards the Emperor Gosaga. Here is a drill from Kobun Online to confirm the discussion on the honorific expression. Please try to complete it.